There's a wood pigeon.
Would you like some peanuts, Peter?
There's greenfinch.
He's big, isn't he?
Oh yeah, it's Britain's biggest finch.
Isn't that the bullfinch?
No, greenfinch. So yeah, so we're bird watching from the kitchen window. And yeah, really enjoying it. Really enjoying it. Yeah, house sparrow, lovely bird really. People think they're a bit boring, but they're not. Good strong markings. They've got a lovely song. Blue tit.
Britain's smallest tit.
No, that's the Goldcrest.
Where's Firecrest?
Might be, yeah. Might be, yeah. Off he goes. He knows what he's doing because, you know, he's years of evolution.
Yeah. He's a fat bird.
Well, it's not, it's mainly feathers and muscle. There's a goldfinch. Lovely colouring bird.
Beautiful.
Britain's most colourful finch. Yeah, quite exotic looking bird. Lovely markings.
Yeah. Spots.
Goldfinch.
Lovely. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Would you like a beer?
Yeah, thanks. Pair of goldfinch eating the seed. That's sunflower hearts, by the way. Night time got a big sack of them about 2 weeks ago, and we're about halfway through.
Really pricey though. Really pricey.
Yeah, pretty pricey. See the bits falling off his beak.
Just for the pigeon.
The pigeon to eat. Yeah, you can see why programs like this on TV are very popular, because obviously quite easy to make. Yeah, programs like Springwatch. No, piece of piss. And there's the pigeon is now moved to underneath my other bird feeder, because there's quite a lot of activity on that feeder as well. It's been quite busy in the garden with all the birds. It's quietening down a bit now, but yeah. There's a greenfinch and that's my other feeder. Get a good view of it there. It's got the cage around it to stop the squirrels.
No, shoot them.
Yeah,
They're cute though.
get those squirrels.
They are cute.
Yeah, they're cute, yeah. And they're like goldfinch and greenfinch. Yeah, it's been quite a good day. I think we'll wrap up now. Seen quite a lot.
Been busy.
Yeah. I need to get to the supermarket.